Hi guys! Punta kami ngayon ng Bataan. May pilgrimage kami sa iba't ibang churches sa Diocese sa Bataan. First Church, St. Peter Parish, Hermosa, Bataan. Second Church, Minor Basilica of Our Lady the Most Holy Rosary, Orani, Bataan.
Mostly yun yan. Siya yung nag-75 news. 95 years old.
Third Church, St. Catherine of Siena Parish, Samal, Bataan. Fourth Church, St. Dominic Parish, Abukay, Bataan.
At pumpunahin sa pamamahala ng Paris si Padre Jose Diego de Pilares.
Fifth Church, St. Joseph Parish, Balanga, Bataan. Sixth Church, Our Lady of Pilar, Pilar, Bataan. Seventh and last church, St. Michael the Archangel Parish, Orion, Bataan.